Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panther. Today I'm going to show you how to multiply and animate text in After Effects. First step, go to composition, click on new composition. Going to rename this as final. Gotta go with 1080p's, 30 frames per second, 5 second, black background, click OK. Right click here, go to new, select solid. I'm gonna rename this as text pattern. Select it, press Ctrl C, select the color, click OK. Right click, go to pre-composition, I'm gonna rename it as text pattern, of course, click OK. Now double click here on the text pattern and click on the solid, go to layer, select solid settings, and we're gonna play around with the width and the height. Type in here 220 and height is gonna be 100. Let me check it out. Yeah, it's pretty good. Click OK. And now right click, go to pre-comp and type in text. There you go, click OK. I'm gonna double click on the text. And as you can see here, we're gonna type in whatever we want. So I'm gonna select this solid and delete it. Select the type tool, which is located right here, and click. I'm gonna type in Panther. Okay, so here you can select the colors. Here you can select the font. I selected the Mango Grotesque. What was that? Bold Italic. Okay, from here I'm gonna align it here. Of course, go to the Align Layer 2 and click on Horizontal. Click on the layer, press the letter S, so it's gonna show the scale. I'm gonna scale this down and make it fit. All right, I'm gonna go back to the text pattern tab. And now it's gonna look something like this. Now I'm gonna type into the effects and panel motion tile. Motion tile. So it's right here. This is the motion tile. I'm gonna just drag it into the text. And here we got the effect controller with the effect settings. We're gonna need to adjust the output width and height. So play around with the width. I'm gonna increase the width until it gets to the edge. I'm gonna go with 900. The height is gonna be, I think 1,000 and 1,120, whatever. So anyways, we got the phase, and if you rotate the phase, it's gonna go vertically. It's gonna animate. One is gonna be static, the other one is gonna be animated. So we're gonna make this horizontal. So we need to check the horizontal phase. Click, and this way it is going to animate it like this. I'm gonna go back to 0 actually, and what I'm gonna do is press and hold Alt and click on the time watch on the phase. And as you can see here, it's gonna show some code. Now we're gonna type in 180 degrees, space plus, space time, space star, space 360 degrees, space this line, space 5 seconds. So it depends on how much is your timeline. And we're gonna hit space, and it's gonna animate, and basically it loops from end to start. Okay, from here I'm gonna go to the final composition here to this tab, and as you can see it changed it to this one, and also we can add some effects to the final comp. I'm gonna go and type in here liquify. Drag the liquify into the layer. Here you're gonna see the options. Basically they are the same exact option as in Photoshop. So I'm gonna select this one, the blob tool, click on the blob options. Here is the brush size, and I'm gonna increase it to maximum. I'm gonna check out which one moves. So this one is moving. I'm gonna scale this up here. So right now it shows really distorted, but after we export it, it's gonna make it smooth. I'm gonna do the same thing here. So yeah, this was it. Thanks for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.